Hey, what's up everyone? It's your favorite scouting enthusiast back with another video. Today we're gonna be working on our photography badge and we need to take some photos. I put it into a leaflet or a website and I've already taken some photos on this camera there. First of all, you need a camera or a smartphone. And I've got a Sony here. You need to know how to turn it on. You can press this on or off button, or you could just open the screen. And how to change your mode, because you need to know how to change the mode, you press this mode button here. I prefer using this green one here, but you can use others if you want. This is how you zoom in and out. And you press this button if you want to take a photo, and you press this button if you want to take a video. This is Mumbles, and we go here quite a lot to take photos of places. Of here to take photos, and maybe here you who can see behind me, here there's a big castle. And now I'm going to take a picture of the castle. Today we are in Old Park taking some photos for our blog post. You can see it in the link below. First, check out some of the photos that I got. So one of the things that you could do is make a stop motion animation. It's basically like taking photos, move your object or character a little bit for each photo. It might end up be something like this. Hey, I think we should get to the battlefield.
Yeah, at the middle. And we can plant the bomb and put it there. I'm hungry. Do you want donuts?
Yeah. You can also compare two photos on the same image. One black and white, one in color. Or you can explain how to edit a photo using a computer or smartphone. But if you're more adventurous like me, then you could create a short movie. I made a short video about getting your road safety badge in a single day. Check it out up here and let me know what you will choose to do in the comments below.